Well, it is a beautiful fall day. Some of the cool weather is actually here to stay.
And here's Kate to let you know what's next. Hey there.
Hey there. Yeah, today was a beautiful day for most of us, and we've got gorgeous weather on the way for the next couple of days. But of course, all eyes trained to the Caribbean and eventually the Gulf of Mexico watching Ian. We'll talk more about Ian's potential local impacts in just a moment. I'm going to start off with what's happening right now. It's 76 degrees in Philadelphia right now. The winds are dying down just a little bit. Right now, still 16 miles an hour. We don't have any of those gusts over 20 miles an hour that we were feeling last hour, but can still see the winds of the fountain kind of blowing sideways as cool air moves in. And it is going to be turning progressively cooler throughout the week. Today, actually the warmest day of the week. It's a dry stretch ahead, at least through Friday. Sunshine every day. Temperatures in the 70s today, but by midweek we'll have highs only in the 60s. So hopefully you kept those jackets and hoodies and sweaters that you needed late last week handy. Then Ian heads north, and we'll talk about what that could mean for us. Still a lot of players on the field, a lot of wild cards with the path of that storm. Here's a look at Storm Scan 3 locally right now. You can see this big swirl of clouds and showers, an area of low pressure, what we call an upper low. Basically just means it's an area of low pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere. They tend to be larger and also very slow moving, but not a lot of moisture with this one. And eventually, once this clears out, it is going to usher in slightly cooler air for the middle of the week. We had a couple of sprinkles try to pop up today. There is some instability aloft with that big swirling area of low pressure over the Great Lakes, but no major rain to talk about, at least until the weekend. So tonight, 57 degrees, partly cloudy, a very comfortable night. Tomorrow, a beautiful fall day. Look at this, 73, seasonable, sunny, breezy, but not as windy as today. Winds 10 to 15 out of the west. A gorgeous Tuesday to enjoy. Here's the latest satellite loop of Hurricane Ian, and if you look at the center of this storm, you can see how that area of clouds is just completely building as the storm continues to strengthen, headed for a landfall in western Cuba. But a very quick landfall. It moves over the island and right back into those warm waters. It's not going to slow it down at all. What to expect as we track Ian's moisture. Watch it move northward. Here it comes as we get into Wednesday, right over Tampa. The rain starts to lift northward as we get into the weekend. This is Friday, still well to the south. And here's Saturday. This is Saturday at 6 p.m. What I want you to notice is we've got this big area of high pressure that's going to be trying to move in from the north at the same time, and that could act as a little bit of almost a linebacker, so to speak. It is football season after all, helping to shunt some of Ian's moisture just slightly further to the south. I do think areas south, the southern part of our region, will have the greatest risk of picking up some tropical downpours, but this is the wild card. Will that high help shunt Ian's moisture further out to sea and bring us just the chance for scattered showers, or will we be talking about heavy downpours? The day to watch will be Sunday into Monday, but showers could start getting into our southern regions as early as Saturday. So a beautiful stretch through the end of the week. Then, of course, Ian is a wild card for our forecast as we get into the weekend. As we continue to track that storm as it continues to evolve, we'll bring you the latest as we always do. Yuki, back to you.
Kate, thank you.